Hello and welcome to the channel, beautiful viewers. So today we are going to be talking about Hotcoin and how you can be able to earn 100B tokens for absolutely free. Alright, what I'm going to be showing you is kind of a head start on how to earn B tokens in the B Network Event Center. I've created multiple videos about that, but this is kind of a special tax, and I just decided to share this update with you because it's best you hop in early. Alright, because those who participate early are those who tend to get rewarded early. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to click on the profile section right now. Once you do, the next place you're meant to come to is the event center. Now you're going to see the tags at the top of your screen right here, which says B Network, Hotcoin, and Mining Partnership. Register for rewards. Now go ahead and click on that, and then as you can see right here, it says B Network and Hotcoin, a winning partnership, register for rewards. You're meant to perform 3 tasks right here, which is join Hotcoin and B Network on Telegram. Next is visit the page site or the submit text information that meets the requirement. Now we're going to do 3 of them, but I just want us to come over to this description, and you will notice that tax 2 requires you join an exchange, which is the Hotcoin exchange. Okay, once you join the exchange, you come over to this very tax and fill in your UID. Okay, the UID you got from the exchange. So the first thing you want to do is to first click on visit the page site. I'm not going to click on the top one yet. I'm just going to click on this for now because I don't want us to join the Telegram group first and we try the site and it doesn't work out and it becomes a waste of time. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on the second one first, which is visit a page site. I'm going to click on the expand button and then click on go to visit that very site you see right there. So this is the site right now. It says Hotcoin business for the trusted choice of global users. Just come down and click on this one that says official sites because we want to sign up and create our account right now. Okay, so I'm just going to click on this email field right here and type in my email. Okay, you don't have to type in your most important email. You can just type in an email you normally use for all these stuffs. Okay, but since this is an exchange, you want to use an email that you always have in mind. Okay, and down here we have the invitation code, which is right there. I'm just going to go ahead and click on next, and we're going to be asked to solve this recaptcha, which is select 3 images with a helmet. Okay, this is a helmet sign right here, so we're going to select these and these because these are the 3 images with helmets. So I'm just going to pick those 3, and verification success. So an email was sent to my email. I'm just going to head over to my email right now to confirm whether or not I received this very email. So as you can see, this is the email at the very top right here. I'm going to click and open this right now, and then I'm going to go ahead and copy this very code you see right here by clicking and holding that and then click copy. I'm going to come back to this very app and click on paste and then click confirm. Now we're being asked to set up a new password. Just set up something you can easily remember, maybe your usual password, so you don't forget this in case you need this very site in the future. And then I'm going to click on register right now. Okay, make sure that icon is ticked before you do that though. So we're being asked to add a shortcut. If you're using a desktop, you can decide to do that, but I'm not using a desktop. I'm actually using a mobile phone, which I believe most of us are. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on cancel for now, and you can see an ad here, 5 years for trading rebate vouchers. I'm just going to cancel this right now, and the main thing we are meant to pick here is our hot UID. So we're going to click on the profile icon at the top left hand corner of the screen, and we're going to be picking this UID right here. So we're going to hold this and copy. Okay, and then we're going to head over to the B Network app right now. Make sure you save all these details, it's very important. Okay, so I'm just going to click back, and I'm just going to come over here and click on verify. After clicking on verify, I'm going to click on expand. to expand this, and I'm going to enter my UID right here, which is this, and I'm going to click on submit. So as you can see, it says updated pending for review. And just to complete this whole step, you come over here and click on expand, because right now you're not sure that you've created this account, you've added your UID, you also want to join Hotcoin and be network on Telegram. So we're going to go ahead and click on join, and as usual, this is going to redirect us to Telegram. Now we're just going to give it a few moments to pop up. And as you can see right here, this is Hotcoin and B network. As you can see, the community is still little, and once you get to this very point, just go ahead and click on the join button right here, and automatically you have joined this very group. I'm just going to head back, and okay, right here, I'm just going to click on got it, click on verify, click on this verify button right here, because we have actually joined this. So as you can see, event completed, wait for the draw. The proof you submitted has been in the review process, and the result would notified in about 10 days. I'm just going to cancel this right now. Now come back here from time to time to check if the reward or draw is available. If it's available, you would see a timer that will tell you how many days is left for the reward or the event to end. Okay, so just head back right now. Right here, we're back to the home screen. Now another place you can also see your reward is the notification section. Okay, just go ahead and click on the notification icon at the top of your screen. You want to come over to the event notification. Okay, now this is where you're going to see past events and where to claim your reward. Okay, so you can just open up one of them. As you can see, this was the event reminder, and oops, you did not win this time. This was an event I participated in and I did not win. Mind you, you might not actually win this. There's no guarantee that you would. It's just so you participate in this and stand a chance to win 100 B coins from this. So this is basically it. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, like always, leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. If you have any comments or question, drop it in the comment section. I'll be glad you did. Okay, also join our social media handles to stay updated. Until I come here next time, I'm your crypto guy Daniel. Stay safe.